Coming up, something very large is lurking out in the ocean. But what could it be? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on!
Breaking news, something has been spotted out the front. Let's go!
That's right, Cousin Lucy. Word is spreading that there's something mysterious in the waters just out the front. But what could it be? The twins are on their way to find out.
There, guys.
Wait, did you see that? Whatever it is, it's huge. Let's go take a closer look.
What's that out to sea? Look closely. Can you see them? It's a group of whales, 2 big adults, and right beside them, a smaller one. That's a calf.
Wow! Whoa, is that 3 whales? And what are they doing?
Great question, Cousin Lucy. What are they doing?
Now, watch carefully. One of the whales is rolling onto its back, fins reaching up toward the surface. How curious. Why would a whale do that? Well, whales roll onto their backs for a few different reasons.
That looks strange.
Oh no!
Sometimes they do it to play. Yes, whales love to play too. Other times it's to stretch, scratch, or even communicate with other whales nearby. But in this case, something very special is happening. This mother whale is teaching her calf. She's showing it how to roll, how to move gracefully through the water.
It looks like it's doing backstroke.
Nice.
It's all part of learning to be a strong and confident whale.
What an amazing sight. We are so lucky to witness this.
Do you remember when we first saw a whale calf earlier in the season? That one was still bright white, a newborn just a few weeks old. But look at this one now, its colour has changed. It's darker, just like the adults. That means it's grown up quite a bit and is getting ready for the long journey ahead. You see, soon these whales will begin their great migration, all the way down to Antarctica. It's a long trip, thousands of kilometres through the open ocean. The calf has grown strong enough now to swim alongside its mother the whole way, stopping along the way to feed and rest. And guess what? This year has been an incredible one here in Australia. Record numbers of whales have been spotted migrating along the coast, from Queensland to New South Wales, all the way down to Tasmania. People have been seeing more whales than ever before. Oh, look closely again. The calf is trying to copy its mum. There it goes, rolling onto its side. Almost not quite there. It's trying again, and oh, it did it. The little whale has flipped over completely, just like its mother. What a beautiful moment. A young whale learning from its parent, practicing the same movements that will one day help it navigate the great southern ocean. The calf is growing stronger every day, and right before our eyes, it's learning how to be a whale of its own. The ocean is full of wonders, and today we've just witnessed one of the most heartwarming of all. A mother teaching her calf how to thrive in the big blue sea.
Wow, what a special day for the twins! They can't believe that they found 3 whales!
You're absolutely right, Lucy. What a truly special day. And how wonderful that so many other beachgoers got to share this amazing moment too.
Wow!
As the whales continue their great migration, it was time for the twins to begin their own journey, migrating home.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye!